Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, let's talk about some wonderful websites that you can use to turn your words, your sentences, your ideas into art. Then you can use the generated arts in different fields like print-on-demand business to create your t-shirts, stickers, shower curtains, prints, and etc. Or you can use them in NFT business, or you can use the generated arts in your social media marketing campaigns, or even for your fun. So today I'd like to share with you some wonderful websites to turn your thoughts into an artistic photo. And now let's begin with the first website for today. That is Phototonic.ai. Phototonic.ai. It's a new branch of the well-known platform writesonic.com, where you can generate copies and long-form blog posts with artificial intelligence. And for sure I have talked about this amazing platform writesonic.com in some videos. You'll find them below in the first comment. And regarding of Phototonic.ai, here you can paint your dreams with pixels for free. So all you have to do, just insert here some words, some sentences, your ideas, and let the magic happen. And this amazing website, Phototonic.ai, gives you an art based on your given words. For example, we can type here something like black cat in a cell. And now click over this button, generate, and just a few seconds, Phototonic.ai gives you an art according to your words. As you see, a black cat in a cell. And for sure you can type here more description of your idea or your dream to create your art. So the first website for today is Phototonic.ai that you can use for free. And now let's move to the next website for today. That is huggingface.co. huggingface.co, and this amazing platform is powered by crayon.com. And here you can add your description or your more descriptive idea. Like you can add something like illustrations or some illustrations, some things, some colors, and so on. For example, we can type here a full body render of a bloody warrior with a sword. Okay, and you can add comma and add here some skulls, bones, some fear. Okay, and you can add something about the definition of that art, like 8K. Okay, and we can add something like orange color, and so on and so forth. And now click over this button, run. Okay, and just wait a few seconds, and this platform gives you an art according to your description of your idea. As you see, this amazing results, full body render of a warrior with sword, with some blood. Okay, as you see, some pawns here and there, and so on and so forth. And the orange color is dominant in that art, as you see. Okay, perfect, based on your words and your idea. Perfect. And now let's move on to the next website for today. That is nightcafe.studio. Here you can generate your art with artificial intelligence. So you can go down a little to this button, create your own art. Click over that, create, simply. And as the previous one, here you can insert your ideas, your thoughts, your words, okay, and separate them with some commas. For example, we can add something like a full body render of goddess, okay, with some clouds, comma, and some planets, for example, angels here and there, here, or angles everywhere, where, and green tones, okay, eyes for example, okay, and so on and so forth. And now we can select a style like matte, cosmic, or cyberpunk, so we can use this one, cosmic, and now create. And just a few seconds and your art would be here. Okay, execute, running. As you see your art like that, some green pawns, planets as you see, some clouds, that goddess, and angles everywhere as you see. Okay, can click over that, view creation, and here you'll find some features to download this amazing art, or you can enhance it, or you can buy a print of it, and your print would be like that. Okay, as you see, perfect. And now let's move on to the next website for today, that is Starryai.com. Starryai.com. Here you can create your art with artificial intelligence, and for sure you can use this amazing platform in your desktop and in your phone as well, either if it is iPhone or Android One. And for sure I've talked about this amazing platform in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. So all you have to do, just you can start creating, okay, and sign up first using your Gmail account. Okay, and now let's move to the next website for today, that is Midjourney.com. Midjourney.com. Here we can consider Midjourney as a godfather of that field to turn your thought into an artistic photo. And to use this Midjourney.com, here you can join firstly Discord account. Okay, and now let's move on to the next website for today, that is deepdreamgenerator.com. Deepdreamgenerator.com. Here in simple words, you can create a dreamy image based on your photo. Here you can upload your photo and upload an extra photo and merge them or combine them into a dreamy photo. For example, to be more clear, like that, this amazing photo and the second one, and combine them to this artistic photo as you see, or that example, or that. Okay, or you can upload your photo like this girl and a photo with gears, and combine them and merge them together to generate this an artistic photo as you see. Okay, and add some effects to generate your art. Okay, this bird and some fire to create this one. Okay, and now you have known some amazing platforms to generate your thoughts, your ideas into art that you can use in your social media marketing campaigns, your blog, your business, and so on. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.